Number 1. Dinosaurs is a colossal dinosaur that has captured the imagination of paleontologists and dinosaur enthusiasts alike. It is considered one of the largest land animals to have ever lived, with estimated lengths all the way up to 100 feet, which equals 30 meters, and weights of around 100 tons. As a herbivore, Dinosaurs primarily fed on plants, likely using its long neck to reach leaves high up in the trees. It lived in South America during the late Cretaceous period, around 97 to 93.5 million years ago. Number 2. Dinosaurs roamed Earth for more than 165 million years. This is absolutely crazy when you think humans has only appeared about 5 to 7 million years ago. We act like we ruled Earth forever, but we've only been around for a very short time compared to the dinosaurs. Number 3. Fossil record shows that birds evolved from dinosaurs during the Jurassic period, and consequently they are considered to be modern feathered dinosaurs. Some birds survived the extinction event that occurred 66 million years ago, and their descendants continue the dinosaur lineage into the present day. So basically, dinosaurs still live amongst us. Number 4. The longest dinosaur name is Micropachycephalosaurus. It was one of the smallest dinosaurs ever discovered, just over a meter long, but with the longest name. It's probably the hardest one to say as well. It was a herbivore, which means it was a vegetarian. The dinosaur would have lived around 84 to 71 million years ago. Number 5. Associated with Sahara Desert in the modern-day Tunisia and Algeria, Nigersaurus was a herbivore that lived 100 to 120 million years ago. Paleontologists discovered that Nigersaurus had more than 500 teeth, arranged in rows of 50 in the front of its squared-off jaw. With its weak spine, Nigersaurus was unable to hold its head up, so it roamed like a grazing cow. And apparently the dinosaur was able to replace its teeth every 15 days or so. Number 6. Several times in geological history, meteor strikes had catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. Well-known examples include an impact approximately 66 million years ago in the Yucatan, which may possibly have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. But their extinction remains a mystery because climate change, diseases, and geologic events could all have played a role. Lately, the extinction of dinosaurs theories have been subject of much debate and controversy. Number 7. If you imagine dinosaurs roaming the earth, you might worry that an apex predator would make a short end of you. But the majority of dinosaurs wouldn't even consider you as a snack. That's because 65% of dinosaurs were herbivores, and of the remaining 35%, some were omnivores. That means that they were interested in leafy greens, eggs, insects, and small mammals. So actually, there were definitely a far fewer fierce carnivores than there were gentle giants. Number 8. Dinosaurs were not known for being super bright, but there is some exceptions to this rule. The smartest dinosaur was called Troodon, and the name itself means tooth that wounds. A Troodon had a brain size of a big bird, which was pretty huge for a dinosaur standards. It also had a grasping hand and stereoscopic vision. Number 9. It's hard to imagine that dinosaurs lay uncovered on our Earth for 66 million years, but only in 1922 did English obstetrician turned paleontologist Gideon Mantel get the credit for discovering the very first dinosaur remains. He was in the process of finding out the origins of the iguanodon when he discovered the giant iguanodon tooth in a Sussex quarry. Ever since then, a whole field, paleontology, has been dedicated to the search for and study of dinosaur fossils and remains. Number 10. All dinosaurs are classified as reptiles and are divided into two groups based on whether they have lizard-like hips or bird-like hips. More than 700 different species of dinosaurs has been discovered. all of which had varying characteristics. Some dinosaurs were carnivores, some were herbivores and omnivores. Some had 2 legs, others had 4. Some obviously had feathers and the other one had spikes.